Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we have a very similar situation to in the previous video. I think the market hasn't really moved much today. It's a rather, okay, it's not a slow day. I mean, it's green everywhere basically. Well, not everywhere, but most coins are moving up at the moment. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum show incredible strength. Ethereum was obviously already primed for outperforming Bitcoin. Let's see if that continues. And I'm tracking now two bullish scenarios also on the 1 hour chart. No misunderstanding here, please. This is just the 1 hour chart. So obviously looking at the bigger picture, the entire chart is bullish and has been for a long time. So this is just a 1 hour chart. If anything breaks on the 1 hour chart, that does not at all change the overall bigger picture, which is then still bullish. First of all, we have a main support area on this chart here between $2,925 and $3,367, basically for this fourth wave pullback. It is possible that this fourth wave is still unfolding, but that is at the moment not preferred. I've taken the potential for a wider wave 4 flat correction of the chart. It would be like an A, B, C structure. I've taken that off the chart now due to the pretty sustained break above the highs and the absence of any 5-wave declines. If we see any 5-wave move down, which would look like a C wave to the downside in a still unfolding fourth wave, yeah, we can always go back to that scenario, and then this support area will remain relevant and will be relevant. It still remains, relevant, but it's not anything I'm watching for primarily at the moment. No. Instead, I'm looking for further upside either in the white scenario or the yellow one. The white one, I think you already know, we talked about that in the previous video. I've just shifted the position of the initial 1-2 setup here. So we had a 1-2, and then here this could be wave 3 that topped today at around 3,900. I think that top occurred after my last video. Then this could now be a wave 4 pullback. The move down looks like a 3-wave decline, looks like a corrective pullback. You could even, I mean, we're watching the 30-minute chart now, but you could even add here a trend line. Maybe that is going to help to determine maybe a level where a reaction could occur. Then we obviously have here micro support levels, which I added earlier today and communicated already on Discord and Telegram. Here we have support between 3,609 and 3,785, with additional support at 3,717 and 3,663, where a wave 5 could start, like jump off point for wave 5. And yeah, that would be wave 5 of 5 of 3. And then this move up could be complete. I mentioned to you in the previous video, for this fifth wave, we have two main targets. It's 3,989, or let's say 4,000 pretty much, yeah. This would be, I think, for the white microstructure, an ideal target, maybe even a little higher. Then we could confirm the completion of 5 of 3, and a larger fourth wave pullback could occur. And yeah, this is the first target, and then the second one is 4,560. So that count, however, is a valid assumption as long as we stay above yesterday's low. So that is even more aggressively bullish. However, we only have 3 waves up from yesterday's low. So therefore, in the white count where I'm tracking a 5-wave move, you see only a 3rd wave top. So we only have 3 waves up at the moment, only 3 up. So that could be, however, wave 1 in wave 5. So basically, in this 5th wave, could be an ending diagonal that's unfolding here, yeah? Just a larger ending diagonal. So with diagonal patterns, we always will have different interpretations. There are always multiple interpretations possible. Just important to understand, okay, what is the level that distinguishes basically the yellow count and the white count? So with the white count, we need to see basically a reaction to the upside, a reversal to the upside, a next rally before the price breaks below 3,609. Well, to be honest, ideally it doesn't even break below 3,663. The 50% fib level, if that can be avoided, that would be better. And yeah, but below 3,609 and above yesterday's high, above yesterday's low, we can consider the yellow count. Only below yesterday's low, yeah, we have to explore other options. For example, a reset of wave 4, maybe even that a larger top is in place. Bear in mind, among all of this, we're looking here only at the 1 hour chart, 30-minute chart. None of that would really impact the roadmap here significantly. 2 all-time highs. You can see it here on the chart. I'm zooming out further. It is a pretty bullish chart. And I think I need to move everything here to the left because everything happens very quickly. But I think soon we are going to see $4,000 plus. Yeah, biggest mistake many people do that I see is people listen to the shorter time frame count. They panic when a micro support level breaks. They actually want to trade for the 8 to 12K all-time high target, but they exit their positions if nanostructures break, microstructures break. That's not the level, the way to do it. These are fragile on the smaller time frame. We just use them to track structures. Sometimes we get a clear setup, not always. I don't think at the moment there is a clear setup. It's just to help you understand what's going on at the moment. Best setups are 1-2 setups, after which the wave 1 was a 5-wave move. We don't have that at this stage. So, however, it helps you to understand the relevant parameters, levels to watch, invalidation points, next targets. So, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.